Hello, fellow cycling enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of high-quality mountain bikes, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to this stunning. With its impressive features and performance, it's the perfect choice for any seasoned or aspiring cyclist. This mountain bike is designed to meet the needs of anyone looking for a reliable and durable ride. The 11-speed drivetrain ensures smooth and efficient shifting, while the aluminum alloy frame makes it lightweight and sturdy. The shock-absorbing all-spring forks provide a comfortable ride on any terrain, while the anti-pneumatic shock absorbers ensure a smooth journey. The 27.5-inch wheels are perfect for handling any trail with ease, and the mechanical disc brakes provide safe and reliable stopping power. And let's not forget the incredible 200mm travel suspension that allows you to conquer even the most challenging trails with ease. So, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line mountain bike that can handle anything you throw at it, look no further than this aluminum alloy mountain bike for adults. Cycling City 11-speed double-damping downhill DH. Bicycle MTB Softail. Thanks for tuning in today. And remember, enjoy your cycling adventures safely. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. Until next time, happy cycling!